Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I have a very exciting video for you. I am trying out the Glamnetic lashes for the very first time. So if you guys don't already know, these are the viral magnetic lashes that I'm sure you've seen all over your social media, and I get to try them for you guys today and give you all of the tea if they're actually good, if they're worth the money, because they are really pricey. But if they do happen to work out, I have a discount code for you where you can save 15% on your purchase. You can just use code Connor2021 to save 15% off your purchase at checkout, or you can actually use code Krystyn, because I have a second code, because they did not just reach out to me once, they reached out to me twice, and I literally couldn't believe it. So this one is for Instagram, which you guys will see in the next few days. But let me just go ahead and show you what they sent over for me. They did let me pick out the items for this video, which this was just going to be lashes. So I did get this pair of lashes here. This is in the style Verified, and these are absolutely stunning. These would probably work for everyone. They're just so beautiful and fluttery. They're not too packed with little hairs, so they do have a really nice natural feel. I of course got the Glamnetic felt tip liner, because obviously how are they gonna stick if I don't have the liner? And then for funsies, I picked out some of their nails. I got these in the style Angel, which are just white. And let me go ahead and, spoiler alert, show you what I got for Instagram. I got some more nails over here, and I'm just gonna show you what I got for my Instagram posts. I got this style here in Exposed, which are super pretty. And then I got Creme de Nude right here, really beautiful. And then of course we have the brush on nail glue here, so get excited for that for Instagram, and we will get the tea on the nails. But I'm really excited to get started on applying these lashes and see if they're going to be beginner friendly and how well they will hold up on my eyes, because I see the little eye pull test that people do, so I'm excited to see for myself just how they actually stick to the eye and if they're just gonna fly off, because I've never tried magnetic lashes before. And honestly, if you're gonna try magnetic lashes, Glamnetic is the lash to try. Like, they are the end all be all, so I'm so excited. Now, they did reach out to me to send me this. I just wanted to say that these opinions are going to be 100% my own opinions, so let's go ahead and zoom you in, get started, and start applying these lashes. Okay, so here we have the liner. So this is what the tip looks like. I have a feeling we're going to get a beautifully precise line with this. Let me get a mirror, and we're gonna start drawing our magnetic liner on. Okay, so the liner applied beautifully to my eyelid. There was no tugging, no pulling, so it was perfect, just like any other eyeliner. Love that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and apply the lashes here, which we do have anchors included, which these are to go on the in and outer portions of your eyes just for added support. You see those two little hairs? These are what the anchors look like. So we're going to apply and see if I have to trim any off. I wonder if this is gonna like stick really hard like a magnet. Okay, let's just see. Oh wait, I don't even have to, oh, I don't, oh, oh, that's strange. Okay. Wait. Oh my goodness gracious. And they're on. They're on. I didn't even have to trim it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. I can't believe this. Oh my god. It definitely feels a little strange on the eye. I think because I have it it's so close to my natural lashes that I normally cannot get with, you know, the regular lashes with glue. Like, it's so close it's like it feels weird because I can feel it so close to my lashes, which is what you really, really want. I just got to get used to that feeling, but it looks great. It doesn't feel heavy. It just feels like there's something there, but I think you'll just get used to it because it literally pushes your lashes on that liner so close to your natural lashes to make them look literally like they're yours. This is so perfect. These also last for such a long time. I'm so excited. These are so good. All right, let's do the pool test. Yep, they're on there. You can use these little anchors here for added support if you need it. I personally don't think I'm gonna need the added support because as you can see, they really are on the eye pretty good. And I mean, it's not like I'm going anywhere, so I don't need to apply the anchors, but I'm pretty freaking impressed with these guys so much. Let me go ahead and do this side really quick, zoomed out. Okay, liner's applied, took like 2 seconds to line. Now let's do the lash, and I'm so excited that I don't have to trim this up, but yeah, let's go ahead and put this on, and yeah. It's on. Boom, done. Boom, done. And they're on. And they look fantastic. I'm so excited. You guys need these lashes. Okay, now that I'm like, you know, backed up and you don't see all of my imperfections in my skin, how do we like the lashes? Do we like them? Are we obsessed with them? Are we gonna go purchase them? Because if you are, link below, use my discount code Connor2021 or Krystyn. Either one's gonna save you 15% off. Definitely hit the link below and go check these out. Oh, I'm so excited. They look so good, and it takes 2 seconds. I love that. You don't have to apply glue. You don't have to wait for it to get tacky. You don't have to think it's good and tacky, apply it, and then you get a glue mess, and then you have to start all over. It messes up your eyeshadow that you already have on. It messes up your eyeliner. You have to redo all that. It's such a hassle. Trust me, I know all about that. And it's all in one. The liner is also magnetic. It's the glue. It's already black. You just stick on the lash and you're good to go. I'm stunned, excited. I didn't think that this was gonna be like the best, only because I didn't know how well the magnets would actually work, but it works. They're not clumpy, they're not chunky, they don't look thick. It doesn't look like I have a magnetic band on. It just fully it's like camouflage in my eyes. You don't see the little magnetic squares whatsoever. So I am 100% thrilled with this. Thank you so much, Glamnetic, for thinking of me and sending this to me for me to try out and let my viewers know how amazing this is. So definitely go check them out down below. The ads are true. These are amazing, and I'm going to tell everyone about these. So if you're in the market for magnetic lashes, link below. Go get them. Highly recommend. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Have you tried these lashes before? What was your thoughts on them? Did they work for you? Were you not into them? As I'm sitting here now, remember how I said before that they did feel a little weird because they were so close to my eye? Felt a little like heavy, but not heavy, because I could just feel it because it was really connected right there at my lash line. I don't feel it anymore. It feels like nothing. I don't have anything poking me in the inner corners like normal lashes do or anything like that, and they're so beautiful and so perfect. I cannot wait to wear these all the time. No mess, no fuss. Glamnetic. That should be like a commercial now. Anyways, yeah, thoughts and opinions down below. Go try these out. I highly recommend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.